Will the echo of this voice provide any direction to the people, or will it mislead them? Will these raised hands help and care for millions, or will they be used to fill their own pockets? These are some of the questions which arise when people have to elect their leader, their representative. But who is this leader?
ये हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि नेताओं ने हमारे लिए क्या किया है?
अखबार उठा लीजिए, मालूम चल जाएगा कि उनकी क्वालिटीज क्या होती है.
Agreed that all politicians are not corrupt, but how do we tell?
Does your success, despite your best efforts, depend on handful of supporters? Are they capable of having a direct contact and personal relation with millions of your voters, and whether they are projecting your right image in front of the people? How can you have an image different from other leaders? Is information about your development work not able to reach your people? To reach out to the people today, instead of newspaper, TV or radio, you need a direct dialogue and contact with them. And for this, you have janpratinidhi.com, which provides you the bridge of both internet and mobile technology to connect directly with your people. janpratinidhi.com, a simple address for connecting you to all the computers of the world. Now you would say that all these benefits are for the cities. But what do we do in the villages where there are no computers? So did you ever imagine that within 10 years, 700 million Indians will be having mobile phones in their hands? Or are you aware that within next 2 years, Government of India's CSC scheme will connect all Gram Panchayats of the country by internet? Look at Gujarat, where 13,693 Gram Panchayats are already connected. With janpratinidhi.com, you can be at different places at the same time. You can be contacted from any corner of the world, and you can reach everyone with your message. Millions of people can watch the videos, photos and documents of all the good work you have done in your constituency. This ends your total dependency on other media and gives you an opportunity to take charge and create a new image in your political career. The multifunctional utility of janpratinidhi.com makes it your virtual office, just like how Obama did it. From your calendar to your communication, from your work to your election, everything happens on it. This keeps you ahead of your opponents. Did you say how? Well, with features like live webcast, text SMS, voice SMS, political networking, Facebook, media center and supporter page, you can make your own network. Make the whole world see and hear your speeches to the public or interviews to the media on your website. Media Center on your website enables you to provide your press releases, news feed, even video interviews to all the newspaper and TV channels in the world. Do you remember who is bringing all these services to you? janpratinidhi.com.
Shri Ramlal Ji's call center welcomes you.
On janpratinidhi.com, you have a phone number and your own personal call center along with your own address for the internet. www.janpratinidhi.com/your name. janpratinidhi.com helps you to find out why and how you should increase your popularity. Get your own service done in your constituency at any time to feel the pulse of the people. If the technology is too new or difficult to manage, get the service of our relation managers to do all the difficult tasks of website management, communication and networking for you. Make technology your slave. Update all your activities, projects and plans on the website, so it always remains current and topical, as compared to other media. Janpratinidhi.com enables you to reach NRI and PIO of your constituency. Any contact with them will be a blessing to you. Just think of it. Janpratinidhi.com is the solution for all your problems. It is a communication platform where everything is in two languages, your regional language and English, where even an ignorant villager can reach your website in 3 clicks of the mouse and can know the latest about you and your work. Send a mail to you by internet or a message by mobile phone and can also become your fan. Stay in touch with young voters of the country and win their hearts by communicating with them in their own language. Information about you, whether good or bad, is already on the internet. You cannot stop it, but you can use the same medium to know all the good work you have done for them. Get all these services only for the price of a postcard-size advertisement in a good newspaper. Internet is to change the rules for the game of politics. So don't wait. Get this new communication platform before others do and give your political career a modern makeover. And for this great cause, Janpratinidhi.com is always with you. So let your voice become the heartbeat of millions of your people. Let your raised hands decide the direction for development and growth. It is time to get out of the shadow of a politician and make a place for yourself in the hearts of your people as their true leader with the help of Janpratinidhi.com. The future of your political form. Janpratinidhi.com. Janpratinidhi.com is the creation of a voluntary organization Srishti and is politically neutral. The website of an elected representative on this portal is not because of his political belief or political party, caste, creed, region or religion, but only because he is the people's elected representative. All elected representatives will have their personal website on Janpratinidhi.com and they will have to bear the cost of making and maintaining their website. To avail this facility on the basis of first come first serve, please dial 011 4522 8866 or type MLAMP and send the SMS to 56070 and get registered with Janpratinidhi.com immediately.